everybody, and thank you for joining in this week's edition of Riverbank Customs. Trying to get back to putting out a video every week. It's kind of hard to do. We've been super busy. We've been blessed beyond. We just got more work than we ever get done. So for those of you, if we're working on your car, thank you for being patient and understanding. Again, we've been super blessed. So I want to take this opportunity to say a special thank you to Richard and Christine Hill. And everybody else who joined in, came out, prepared food, whatever part you played in it. Thank you for yesterday was our 3rd annual Tech Fest held at Richard and Christine's house. Really great time. A lot of stories told, a lot of work got done. That's part of building the community that you hear us talking so much about.
I can't wait to see it again. I can't wait to see it again on the Dragon next year, man. Oh, my God. I told y'all that was such a fun.
I told Dad, they got to get there from there.
They
started all that stuff. They look like this. Like Chrysler redid the interior. It's more comfortable, but they lost a lot of styling. But
how's the boat coming along?
it's the heater channel's completely welded on now, and got to
That
finish
empty
up
carburetor or that other one I had? FAST.
the A pillar, and then I'll get it back. So it's he's having trouble. But yeah, I didn't get him because I'm like, you know, I don't have to.
passed away in 2010.
Well, I mean, his son though.
Oh, his son lives in Georgia.
Georgia, does he still got the double cup? He still got the show. You friends with him on Facebook?
Is the engine okay? Have you checked it? So, we'll have to put it in the old way, but I'll make a new one for you. I can cut it.
And that's a weird thread.
Oh, no, I mean, I'm going to hand cut it. I'm not going to tap it. I'm actually going to machine it. So.
Is that aluminum?
It feels like it.
That was
Weird.
Did you see all that water?
I mean,
That water
it's
up
still
there.
break off?
Yeah, I seen that, man. Started dripping.
Just glad there wasn't nobody under.
I'm into that. Yeah, I just have to cut a new one. So that would be feasible for me. Yeah, it just stopped cooling. But mine is
about wrap us up for this week. Thank you for watching. Like I said, we're going to try to be putting out a video a week as much as time allows. If you like this content, stay tuned for more upcoming events, more projects we got going on in the shop, and more about building the community. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.